It is with great honor and profound respect that I stand before you today as we convene the 13th BJMP Starting Challenge, one of the highlights of the upcoming 33rd BJMP Anniversary Celebration.
I'm feeling good, you're looking exhausted, I'm taking limits and I go beyond it. There is a list of the greatest of all time and I'm trying to be on it. I came here to conquer, I ain't gonna stop until I am iconic. Bring it on, I'm taking on all of my enemies. I got the power, the energy, I'm the greatest celebrity. Bring it on, this is my time and my legacy. When they talk about legends, I bet you they mention me. So you better bow down. Yeah, you better bow down. You better bow down. Yeah, you better bow down. So bow down.
To the Star Team, you are the epitome of excellence in tactical operations. Together, let us forge a future where our institutions are stronger, our communities are safer, and our nation is more secure.
Don't get it twisted. I know what you're thinking, I make it look easy. But you and not me, so there's no competing. Figure we even tell them you're screaming. You would get wiped out. A left, right, and then lights out. The left, right, and the tryouts. While I'm left on the flight out. And it's so embarrassing. Compared to each other, there is no comparison. Some of this confidence, others is arrogance. I say it's both, it comes with experience. So you better watch me, I'm on the run. Nothing can stop me, I'm number one. And when I'm on top of the world, I'm screaming at the top of my lungs.
So, binabati ko po kayong lahat nakalahok sa Star Olympics ngayong taon. Sa mga kupunan galing sa iba't ibang rehiyon at sa iba't ibang star team natin. Alam niyo, nagpapakita kayo na hindi niyo pinababayaan ang inyong mga trabaho. Hindi niyo pinababayaan ang mga armas. At syempre, ang inyong abilidad at kasanayan sa paggamit nito. Sa kabuuan, ang misyon natin ay tagumpay. Tagumpay kayo, tagumpay ang BJMP, tagumpay tayo. Sapagkat kung hindi tayo magsasama-sama, hindi tayo magtatagumpay. Kaya mabuhay po ang BJMP, mabuhay tayong lahat, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Lahat po tayo panalo dito.